Hello class, welcome back. Today we will be identifying the least common multiple of two numbers. We can also say, and write, LCM for least common multiple. The LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by both of those numbers. Let's find the least common multiple of the numbers 5 and 6. Remember, we are looking for the smallest number that can be divided by 5 and 6. Our first step will be to write some multiples of 5 and 6. If this sounds hard, all we are doing is skip counting. To find the multiples of 5, we skip count by 5. To find the multiples of 6, we skip count by 6. I like to write the first 5 multiples of a number when I do these types of problems. Sometimes we will need to write more though. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Now we do the same thing for 6. The first 5 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Once we write down the multiples of a number, we circle the first multiple both have in common. These numbers don't have a common multiple yet. This means that we will write more multiples for each until we find one that is common. Let's look at our multiples of 5. After 25, we would get 30. How about that? 30 is the least common multiple because it is the first number both 5 and 6 have in common. This means that 30 is the smallest number that both 5 and 6 could divide into. That's all there is to it. Let's go over the steps one more time. First, you write the multiples of your two numbers. I like to write the first 5, but sometimes you will need to write more multiples. Then you circle the first multiple that both numbers have in common. If you do not find a common multiple, then you will need to write a few more multiples until you find a common multiple. Thank you for coming, and have a great day.